morning, Fit Family. So it is time for my protein shake meal. So what I have here is my handy dandy food scale and my shaker bottle and my low carb, no sugar added protein packet. And I just mix the contents of this packet with about 10 ounces of water, shake it up, and drink. And that will hold me for a couple of hours. This is like the third time I've made this video because it's difficult for me to look at the camera. So I'm practicing, focusing here, you guys, and being present here. And yeah, that's contest prep day 4, protein shake done. I'll be doing upper body work today, and I'll also be getting my cardio in, of course. I did 30 minutes of cardio yesterday. It'll be 45 minutes of cardio today. Talk to you later. Love you guys.